Let's take a look at Slingshot's particle tools. Typically in Houdini, the way you create a particle system is you put down a pop net like so, and this would create a dot network with everything you needed inside. I find this frustrating because it already does a scatter onto surfaces where typically I think you want to use all the points. This merge seems unnecessary, and then this doesn't give you any of the cleanup or any of the things you typically need when running in a studio environment, even though it does give you particles most of the time. In Slingshot, we have a better solution. Select the scatter here, or whatever incoming points I have, and I go Slingshot, Effects, Particles, Quick Particles, and I get this whole setup. We set up an ID, we give it a point velocity and compute its deformation blur, making sure there's curl noise added in. We have random angular rotations, just in case you want to use those, and then we import our pop object, we normalize its age, and we clean up all of the points attributes so we're not left with a cumbersome amount of data to work with. Inside the .NET, it's really simple. The pop source brings in all points by default, and I've just lowered the life expectancy and variance defaults just so you can kick your stuff off straight away and get something that looks pretty interesting. In addition to this, I can select my pop solver, go Slingshot, Effects, Particles, Pop Forces menu, and I can add layered pop forces. Here, what will happen is the swirl size will be multiplied by 5 in the large noise and divided by 5 in the small noise. This will allow me to have multiple layers of noise, and you can see the difference right here. With our normalized age here, you can see we can visualize that. Just go run from attribute here. Select our norm age, and I'll set our infrared so this is easier to see. We can see we're successfully mapping the age of the particles. So this is the Slingshot way to set up particles. This is available now in the full version of Slingshot. Hope you enjoy it.